Introducing the Secutron MR-400 Fire Alarm Control Panel. This session will cover its key features. Let's begin with an overview of the MR-400's core functionalities. The MR-400R Fire Alarm Control Panel features one addressable loop, capable of supporting up to 240 Secutron devices from the MR-400 series and offers sub-addressing on multi-point devices. The system comes pre-assembled, including the main board, power supply, user interface, and red enclosure, which can house an 18 amp-hour battery set. It has a built-in dialer that connects to a remote central monitoring station using two dedicated phone lines, compatible with both SIA and Contact ID protocols. Additionally, the MR-400R supports up to 7 remote annunciators. The MR-400R features a 4x20 backlit LCD display, equipped with 4 notification appliance circuits, or NACs, each capable of providing a power-limited output suitable for either Class B or Class A operation, with a maximum load of 1.5 amps per circuit and a combined total capacity of 5 amps. NAC circuits on the MR-400R are highly configurable, offering both silenceable and non-silenceable options for 2-wire sync and cadence signals. This flexibility allows the panel to support strobe synchronization protocols from major brands such as Mercom, Gentex, Wheelock, and System Sensor. The MR-400R holds certifications including UL 864 10th edition and CSFM listings. The MR-400R panel provides additional output options, including connections for the MR-2300T remote trouble indicator and MR-2300PR reverse polarity module. It also features an RS-485 bus for up to 7 annunciators, expanding communication and control capabilities across the system. Auxiliary power options include both 24-volt DC unfiltered, unsupervised, and 24-volt DC filtered, regulated power supplies with a resettable auxiliary power supply function. The total load capacity for auxiliary power is rated up to 5 amps at 24 volts DC. The MR-400R enclosure can be mounted semi-flush or surface. The system has straightforward software configuration and password protection with easy setup of alarm verification or positive alarm sequence operations in compliance with NFPA 72, and configurable options such as signal silence inhibit, auto signal silence, and one-man walk test, which streamline operation and maintenance activities. It also supports subsequent alarms, supervisory signals, monitor inputs, and system troubles. Lastly, the MR-400R includes 4 integral relay contacts: common alarm, common supervisory, common trouble, and auxiliary alarm relay. The MR-400 includes a black back box and a red door enclosure. Inside, it contains the main board, power supply, transformer, and the main display. The system components include the RAM3318 LCD and RAX LCD light remote annunciators. The RAM3318 LCD allows for remote annunciation and duplicates the main panel's display, including the LCD, LEDs, and switches. The RAX LCD light offers a large backlit LCD display with a simple menu system, navigable via a directional keypad. Other annunciator options include the RAM1032TZD-S remote LED annunciator, offering 32 points of LED annunciation. It also supports the RAX 1048TZD-S adder module, extending the system with 48 additional programmable bicolored LEDs. Both units can come with conformal coating and fit in the MMX BB1000 series enclosure. The enclosures for the MR-400 system annunciators include the MMX BB1001DR for housing 1 annunciator, MMX BB1002DR for 1 annunciator and 1 display adder, and MMX BB1003DR for 1 annunciator and 2 display adders. Additional system components include the MR-2312SR12 Smart Relay Module with 12 relays. For annunciator functions, the MGD32 is a 32-point graphic LED driver annunciator with 32 outputs and control switch inputs, and an adder display AGD048 provides an additional 48-point graphic LED driver. Lastly, other system components for the MR-400 include the PC-S100 power supply interface board, the MR-2300PR for polarity reversal city tie functions, the MR-2300T, a common remote trouble indicator with a buzzer and LED, and the MP300, which is an end-of-line resistor plate. Thanks for watching. For additional information, visit Secutron.com or click on the next video in the series for more detailed technical information on the panel, or to view information on the MR-400 series addressable devices.